Good evening. Some much colder weather on the way for the UK in the next few days, with an increasing risk of some snowfall this weekend. Tonight, though, the frost not quite as widespread actually as last night, but there will be a patchy frost. The reason not quite so widespread, though, some rather murky conditions around, a lot of cloud coming in to the east, some outbreaks of rain, maybe even some snow across the Grampians, courtesy of this weakening old weather front. Another front in the west fizzling out, but still producing plenty of cloud. So those two factors combined keep many areas frost-free. But between those two weather fronts, we will see a patchy frost developing and some fog for early Friday. For Northern Ireland, with clearing skies there behind the weather front, we're certainly looking at a chilly start here to Friday with a pretty widespread frost and some dense patches of fog. Fog a risk, though, again across central and southern parts of Scotland and the northwest of England, I think perhaps in the Vale of York again. Generally a pretty murky story really across this entire swathe of the UK as Friday gets underway for one reason or another. Some drizzly rain for East Anglia, a few spots across the northwest of England into the Midlands. Perhaps, just perhaps, behind that weather front, something a little bit clearer and brighter first thing for Wales and the southwest of England. We may enjoy some sunshine here through the early part of Friday, but it looks like we'll pick up some quite hefty showers potentially actually into South Wales and the southwest of England by the time we get into the afternoon. With limited brightness and perhaps some stubborn fog in places, we are in for a chilly day on Friday. Top temperatures just 4 or 5 degrees Celsius for the majority. The weekend, though, promises to bring us colder weather still, and yes, cold enough for us to see some snowfall. The cold air is going to be heading our way from the continent, blasting across from the east. It's as though we start to pick up some weather systems coming in from the west. We add the element of moisture that combines with the colder air that leaves us with that potential for some snow as we look at this weekend. That said, we could well see some significant snow showers themselves feeding in from the North Sea for eastern Scotland and northern England on Saturday. Further south, though, our biggest question mark is this area of rain as it pushes further north into South Wales and parts of the Midlands, turning to snow during the course of the day on Saturday. Looks like that will clear away south on Sunday, but then I think we'll be left with an extensive legacy of ice, and again potentially on Sunday the risk of some wintry showers coming into the east. A bitterly cold day to come on Sunday.